So this month, we'll be learning Hispanic Heritage Month. Can we say Hispanic Heritage Month? Okay, we'll be exploring the rhythm, the history, culture of Hispanic dance from September 15th, which we started already, and up until October 15th. Dance is a key part of Hispanic culture. It tells stories, preserves tradition, and brings people together. So, the roots of Hispanic dance. Hispanic dance is influenced by indigenous traditions, Spanish colonization, African rhythms. Dance evolves in each country to reflect its unique blend of cultures. We'll be watching a few videos from different countries and styles of dance, okay? We'll start with salsa, which is not only from Colombia, but we'll be showing a style of salsa from Colombia, okay? Okay, can we get some feedback on that? What do you guys think? Okay, Ava? Thank you, Ava. All right,